So once we need to give for the variable name and pass it LB and RB, and if it is boundaries is not matching, you need to get for the error like default will be not found. Okay, so after that, once you done for the correlation, you can click on here and you need to change for the value also. If you change means you need to give for the what value you are doing, you can give for that name token underscore COR. I give it as a token underscore COR. So it is changed. And after that, you can save it and you can execute. So before execute, what you need to do means you need to clear last results. You can come to here and this is the clear, right? You can click on that and you need to clear. So this is the clear button. Just click on clear and come to again results and enter this. See, now you can go to the debug sampler. You can observe we done for the correlation token COR is equal to value captured. So now you need to replace for the where is the token value will be there. You need to replace that. How can you can replace means you can click on Control H also, it will work here. Control R, I think Control R. Nothing is coming. Okay, okay. For me, Control H is not working. 1 minute. So okay, you can enter for the Control R and it will come for the how we need to replace, right, in load runner. Same thing it will come, and after that you need to replace. How you need to replace means how you replied in parameter value, right? Same thing you need to replace. So dollar symbol and after that open curly brace, and you need to give for the name of the variable name. How you are given token underscore COR, right? You can give for the same token underscore COR and close the token underscore COR and close the curly brace. And if it is there in any other place, you need to replace that place also. Same value, right? You can remove this and enter for the open curly brace and enter this and give it as a name as a token underscore COR. Compared to load runner, this is the very easy only, okay? But you can practice, then it will be easy. Okay, and login is completed, right? Up to now we are done, right? Then you can save it this, and before go to the view registry, right? You can delete and you can execute. Now come to the debug sampler. You can observe token value is capturing successfully. Your script also not failing. If anything is given wrong means you will get error. For example, how you will get error, I will show you one thing. Go to this token value and okay, okay, already we have, right? No problem. I'm deleting. Maybe now we can observe and you can clear the results every time. Before you want to execute means you can clear this, and after that save it and execute. See, you got error. You can observe you got error because username password, and so because of some error you have got. Why you have got error means you are unable to capturing the that dynamic value. Now you can observe token core is equal to, you are not passing for the correct value. Token core is equal to type equal password ID. This value it is picking, but token value is some different value. So like this you will get for the error. So then you can go to here and again you need to give for the proper here. You can go to already will be there, right? You can give it as a boundaries proper. And again you can execute. You can clear this. This is the clear button. Click on clear, and after that execute. So you are able to now you can observe token core is value is captured and username also it is picked. So you want to execute many times means you can go to here. How you are given for the like 5 iteration, right? You want for the 5 iterations means you can give it as a like loop count, or you can give for the thread the 5 users you can execute. Just you can give it and save it and come to here, and you can remove this and execute. See, 5 times will be executed without error. You got for the test event is good. Okay, see, every time you can observe this value it is changing. See, token value it is changing. You can observe here will be 6.8, here will be 1.3. It means every time it is changing. That is why that is value will be dynamic value. Okay, got it right? So for this is the for scripting. How we need to do for the scripting means you need to record these things, and you need to do for the scripting like this. Once this is completed, your script will be fine. And as to one more thing, you want to add for the some what is that, you can call it as a through notepad. You need to give for the values, like for example parameterization. You can do for the parameterization means you are giving as a username underscore param, right? You can give same thing and comma and password underscore param, and after that you need to pass it as a names, username comma username. So you can observe this is the password they are given in only username, but maybe some other application will be different. Don't give for the same username. Okay, based on the username password. See, for example, Jojo Bean will be there. Jojo way different and Bean will be different, but here will be username password. Both will be same username only. So after that you can save this, save as as a .txt file. You need to save what is that login details, right? Otherwise login details I can give for the whatever name you can give for the name, credentials. Okay, .txt, and you can save it. Now once this is completed, right, now you can come to here. You can add for the here means you can go to here, and we have the config element will be there. So you can go to the add and go to the config element. You are able to see the CSV dataset config. Everyone able to see CSV dataset config? You can click on that and it will open this one, and you need to keep this above the script. And after that, see, this is the file name. So you can go to the browse, and already we added right in desktop. What is the name of that? Credentials, right? This is our file. You go to this file and click on open. See, this came. And after that file encoding, you need to give for the UTF-8. And after that, you need to go for the variable names with the comma delimiter. So for example, how you are given, right? Same, you need to give for the name of the parameters, like username, comma, and password param. See, you are giving as a delimiter comma means you are give comma. You are giving for any colon, then you can give for the same thing in colon. But now I am using for the comma, then you can give for the comma. And ignore first line variable name if it's not empty. Means you want to ignore the first line means you need to give for the true here. You need to give for the true. And save it. Now we can disable this parameter. Already we done. Where we done? In login part we done, right? You can click on here. This is the right. I'm disabling this one because we can do for the two ways. Like through file also you can do, for otherwise using for the user param. So I'm disabling this, and we are given name same or not, you can check. Username underscore param and password param. You are given same name or not, you need to check in the here also. Username underscore param. I think name is different, right? You can give it as a capital name. Username password pw param. Okay, now it is correct. And the same thing here also you can change it for the username param and control S. And now you can again execute. You can save it and clear the results. So every time you need clear means you can just clear, click on clear. It will clear. And go to thread group. You want to execute only one time means you can give for the one times and save it. Click on results and execute. See, go to the debug sampler. You are able to pick the username password. And now how we picked? Through CSV dataset, because already this is disabled. See, username param I disabled. So this will be not work. So using this CSV dataset, it is picking for these values. For example, you can change here values and you can observe what will happen. You can observe. Means it is picking correct or not, you can observe. I am giving a username 1 and username 2 is a just understanding point of view. I changed this one. And after that, again, you can execute. Go to the view registry and clear it and save it, execute. Obviously, it will be, you can go to debug sampler. You can observe username 2, password and username 1. So through CSV data only, it is picking the value. Your confirmation point of view only, I pick this one. And apart from this, we have the some other settings also, they will be there. So once you can click on add, right, you can see the all the different type of samplers. Samplers nothing but this all will be protocols. HTTP request protocol, Java protocol, and FTP request, JMS subscriber, and this all will be different of SMTP protocols. So how we have the protocol, web protocol and Java protocol, SAP, Oracle will be there. Same thing, we have the different type of protocol will be there. Protocol nothing but samplers, and after that logic controllers. So this will be, we need to write for the any like a code point of view controller or transaction controller and loop controller, while controller, means we need to add these all things. Preprocessor nothing but you need to do for the parameterization, user parameter, and you have the different type of also the regular expression user parameter, sample timeout, bean cell processor will be there. And going to the preprocessor, we have the different type of preprocessor will be there. Preprocessor nothing but correlations things. We need to do for the maximum we are doing for the boundary extractor, regular expression, and JSON extractor in here. So you can do for the anything is fine. Boundary extractor also you can do, a regular expression also you can do. So you want to do for the regular expression extractor, you can click on this. See, it is came here and you can keep here because we are doing here only, right? You need to give for the, how you need to give for, give it as a name, token underscore COR and regular expression. How we are done in, right? I think I deleted. Okay, no problem. So you can give it as a boundaries, left boundary, and after that value is equal to, after what value it is come, dynamic value, right? Dynamic value plus we need to give for the bracket dot star question mark. And after that, what is the right boundary value will be there, you need to pass it. What is the right boundary? This is the right boundary. Control C and you can pass it. So like this, you need to do for the regular expression correlation. So how we done for the in load runner, right? Same thing we can do for here also. Left boundary, and after that dynamic value place, we need to give for the bracket open dot star question mark, and after that if it will be there right boundary you can give. If it is not there also no problem for regular expression point of view. Okay, and template point of view you need to give for the like you need to give for the dollar point of, you need to give for the like how many times it will be there. You want to, it will be there 2 times, means you can give for the 1 and comma, and again you need to give for the, not this one, dollar, dollar 1 and dollar, and after that you need to give for the dollar 2 and dollar. So like this you need to pass. So that will be no need. And match number you need to give for the 0, means it will be randomly, it will pick. And default value you want, means you can give it as a not found. So meanwhile, just I am disabling this one because of we need to execute this regular expression, and this is also working fine or not, we need to check. Just click on this and go to the results tree, and this I'm clearing and save it. This is the execute button, start button, nothing but execute button. See, so execution is completed. Now you can come to here. Token value is equal, you can observe token core is equal to, this is the value it is picking. So through where we got, through we done for the like a regular expression. So these 2 ways we can do. We have the one more way also will be there, that is JSN correlation also will be there, that will be different. So these 2 will be important. So these are things we need to do for the correlation point of view and parameterization. And as same to the we post process completed assertions. We have the response assertion will be there, and duration assertions will be there, and bin cell assertion, and this all will be different type of assertions. Assertions nothing but checkpoint. So you can click on this and it will add it. So you need to give for the, for example, you are keeping for in login part this assertion, okay, and test response, you want to add test response, means you need to give for the response 200, means valid response, right? Okay. You want to give for the any message, means text point, text point. So you need to give like this as a assertion. Assertion nothing but checkpoints. So you need to give for the like this, and after that this will be 200, okay, only it will execute. Otherwise you will get for the text point will be failed. Okay, that will be assertions. You can go to the add and you have the different type of response assertion will be there, size will be there, JSON will be there, compositions will be there. We have different type of will be there. And go to the timer. Timer nothing but this will be think time. You need to give for the each and every page, you need to give for the think time, right? You can select as a different type of think times will be there. Constant think timer means it will be constant. You want for the uniform means random timer, means you can select for the random, and we have that Gaussian random will be there, and as same to the bean seller will be there. You want for the constant, means you can select this one, and you need to pass it as a each and every transaction. This one you can keep it, and you need to give for the how much time you should wait. You want wait for the 3000 milliseconds, means how much? 3 seconds. So like this we need to add for the think time. So you can change, means you can give change also. Oh. Think time, you can give it as a name, think time. Think time. So like this you need to pass it from everywhere, you need to pass it. So you can copy and paste it also, it is possible. For everywhere you need to keep, means you can paste it. See where it is. Yeah, this one, right? This is the one more thing you want for one more thing, means paste it. See, each and every page we are keeping for the some think time. So got it right? How we are done for the script announcements in Corelay and views and right? Same thing, but some like terminal will be different. Everyone is fine? Hello? Everyone have this URLs? Everyone have this URL or not? I will share this URL. You guys want means I will share in chat window. So you can do for the pest store also. Here it will work. http:// and control. This is the URL and keep it and do for the scripting. Guys, what you need to do means if anyone is not downloaded, you need to download, and first thing you need to do for the prerequisites, and after that only you are able to record the script. Otherwise, you are unable to record the script. Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
So I will give one more thing. Actually, I don't have any material for this, but we have the some one site will be there. Everyone go to that site, and you need to read the interview point of view questions also. Guru. See, everyone able to see JMeter tutorial begin for the learn guru.com. You need to open for the Guru 99. Can open this. Once you can open this, right, everything will be there. What is the JMeter introduction and how to download and how to install and easy steps. And after that, we have the different type of elements also will be there. See, we have the thread group. What is the thread group? What is the sampler? What is the listener? Configurations will be there. And JMeter GUI test plan and workbench. So you need to go through the one by one. You need to read it. Tomorrow up to you guys to perfect where means up to thread group and sampler listeners and configurations. For up to you need to finish in here. I will ask for the interview questions also here. You can go to here. You can observe these are the thread group. What is the thread group? I will ask for the thread group means what is the thread group, and you can observe for the diagrammatic also you will be able to see the thread group, and after that samplers. And what are the samplers? These are will be protocol samplers, nothing but each and every sampler. What is the HTTP request, and after that what is the BSF request, and everything will be there. Very good. You need to observe CSV dataset config file also will be there. Okay, go through this and you need to read it and ready with tomorrow interview questions also. Okay, I will share this also. This URL also I will share to everyone. Keep in. So mostly we are finishing for all, right? So you need to practice yourself. So myself will be UI part scripting also completed. If anything will be need, and we need to discuss tomorrow also. And tomorrow we need to do for the load test. We can do for the load test 2 ways, GUI and non-GUI, and we can see that one. Okay, is it fine for everyone?
Yes.
So we'll meet tomorrow, and so you can go through this, and everyone save this URLs.
Yeah.
Okay, save it these URLs and keep it with you. Not only one scenario, right? You can do for the different URLs will be there, right? You can try with the Amazon, and this all things will be there. Here one thing will be there. Once your script is completed, right? This is the open source tool. You can execute for the number of users, not only 50 users, 2,000, 50,000 users also you can execute. So tomorrow I will show you how to do for the number of users, and what will happen we can do for the GUI testing and non-GUI testing. And this all things will be, I will show you tomorrow class. Okay. Is it fine?
Okay.
Thank you so for joining everyone. Bye.
Anna, the recording session.